What's up, YouTube? I'm Jaden. We're going to start working on this Volvo some more. Got it up in the air a little bit so I can get underneath it and get to the crossmember. I got the engine and transmission bolted together here, and I really hope to have it all bolted into the car today. So I've got a little bit of preemptive bashing I'm going to do to the firewall here around this area and some down here. I'm going to have to look back at my notes and look exactly where I'm going to need to bash. It's been a little over 2 years since I've actually had to hammer on one of these, but we'll see what happens. I may need to do some tunnel bashing in there too, but we'll see when we get to that point. As you saw from the last Volvo video, I cut or cut out this little notch in our crossmember, which is more than likely going to be plated in and repaired at some point, and that is to make room for our oil pan. The oil pan on these takes up that space, so yeah, you had to make room somehow. Alright, so I'd really like to be able to get the motor in here today. That way I can make sure that everything clears how I want it to, and then we can go from there. I'd really like to get the motor in and the supercharger bolted on, and then we can really get to work on this thing once we know that stuff's all going to be good. Alright, may the general bashing commence. You can see I made a little bit of general clearance around the tunnel here. We'll get the engine up and put it in there and we'll see how it fits. Wow, I'm out of breath. So here's a problem I'm running into. The steering rack is in the way for these motor mounts. I'm not sure if that is a generation thing with these cars. So I'm going to go look at my 244, which is an 88, and see what it looks like on that. So yeah, those are different. Alright, so there is in fact a difference in the racks. So what I'm going to do for now is just unbolt this one and get it out of the way. What I'll probably do is just modify this mount to where it's got about an inch of clearance there in the front, so it'll clear the rack. And then I will, yeah, it should just be normal from there. So I'll have to build myself a little jig for that. And then, yeah, should be pretty simple. Sweet. So yeah, I'm going to get back to work. I'm going to get these motor mounts bolted in, and then I'll start working on getting this guy up and in there. Okay, so we're getting closer, but unfortunately I think more of the crossmember needs to come out. It's just, I don't know, maybe I can drop the subframe a little bit and gain myself some more room. I'll try that first before I get too drastic. I only need just a little bit of clearance to get the oil pan past the crossmember, and then it should drop down and be good. But that's where the struggle is getting to that point. So I'll keep working at it. So yeah, we got her done today. I'm super excited. I actually feel like I accomplished something today, instead of like all these other days where I'm struggling like crazy, super exhausted. Even though I got interrupted for about an hour, I still seem to have accomplished something. So that was my phone. But yeah, it's coming along. I think everything's gonna work out just fine. So thanks, YouTube. I really hope you enjoy seeing this thing come together, because I am really excited and I'm really enjoying it myself. See you later.